Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Tuesday morning, October 8th, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Monday, October 7th, 2024. It was a roller coaster ride as after a steady opening, the market soared higher, but relentless selling continued in the mid and small cap segments, and eventually, Nifty 50 lost the psychological support of 25,000. So did the BSE Sensex, which closed near 81,000. Amid positive global cues, the market opened higher, but erased all the gains in the initial hours and gyrated between gains and losses throughout the session to end near day's low. In yet another highly volatile session, the Indian benchmark indices ended lower and extended the losing streak for the sixth consecutive session on October 7, amid selling across the sectors barring information technology names. Worries over the escalation of the conflict in the Middle East weighed on the investor sentiment. Crude is above $81 a barrel. At close, the Sensex was down 638 points or 0.78% at 81,050, and the Nifty was down 218 points or 0.87% at 24,795. Bank Nifty index ended lower by 983 points or 1.91% to settle at 50,478. Biggest Nifty losers included NTPC, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, SBI, Coal India, while gainers were ITC, Bharti Airtel, Trent, M&M, and Infosys. Except the IT index, all other sectoral indices ended in the red, with PSU Bank, Healthcare, Capital Goods, Realty, Metal, Power, Oil and Gas, Media, and Telecom ending lower. Mid-cap and small-cap stocks were the worst hit in the broader markets, with Nifty Mid-Cap 100 and Nifty Small-Cap 100 indices ending down by 2.01% and 2.75% respectively. The Fear Index, India VIX, ended 6.7% higher at 15.08. Meanwhile, in the US overnight, Wall Street's three major indexes closed down around 1% on Monday, while Treasury yields rose as traders tamped down bets for Federal Reserve interest rate easing and worried about the Middle East conflict's impact on oil prices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed 41,954, down 398 points. The S&P 500 lost 55 points, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 213 points to end 17,923. Brent crude, the global oil benchmark, has risen in volatile trading as traders assess how geopolitical events could affect supply. Brent crude is $81 a barrel, while gold is steady at rupees 76,130 per 10 grams. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. The index yesterday fell below the 55 MA, indicating a bearish trend. A bearish crossover in the RSI is adding to the downward price movement. In the series of bearish candles, Nifty 50 added one more red candle to the daily charts and formed a three black crows pattern. In the short term, the trend may remain volatile with a predominantly bearish outlook. Overall, the market appears to be sell on rise as long as it stays below 25,000. Only in the case of a strong, sustainable move above 25,000, trend reversal be confirmed. Till then, markets are likely to remain in the grip of the bears, with the next support being placed at 24,400. On the downside, support levels are positioned at 24,700, 24,590, and 24,400. The stocks on radar today: Tata Motors, Nykaa, Zodiac Energy, BEL, Araya Life Spaces, High-Tech Pipes, Swelltech Energy Systems, Puravankara, HDFC Bank, Ercon International, HEG, Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company, Lemon Tree Hotels, and Exicom Telesystems will be on focus on October 8th today. That's it for today, folks. What do you think the markets are going to do? Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about